Right. This was shot during my stay at Utopie Bakery, where I was learning, you know, the gears of how to make a croissant. This guy called me a savage at some point because I told him that I was always mixing my dough on super high speed.
Alex, tu es un sauvage.
So I guess that's basically the thing right there. I want to improve myself. I don't want to need like a lunatic. I want to need like a professional baker, and so professional dough mixer. Hey guys, salut, this is Alex. Welcome back to the croissant series in which I'm trying to perfect the ultimate French croissant. In the previous episodes, I've been doing an internship at a French bakery. I've been making my own dough sheeter. I've been investigating very much into all different types of croissant. But for the next step, this twisted mind of mine has basically decided that I needed to buy myself a commercial grade dough sheeter. So I'm on my way to a place where they sell just that. Let's have a look inside.
Excusez-moi.
Oui?
Là, vous avez filmé l'autre côté aussi.
Ça, ce sont des batteurs qui sont utilisés par des boulangers?
Ouais.
Ça, j'imagine que c'est des gros ceux-là ou c'est des petits? Ça existe plus grand que ça?
Ouais.
Ça, c'est. Vous avez dit c'est combien de litres ça?
Ça doit être 33.
Et ça vaut combien ça?
1200.
Et quelque chose comme ça par exemple? Et ça, vous avez le prix de 8 litres?
C'est 900.
Ah oui, 900, donc celui-là ça peut pas être 1000 alors. D'accord, ça marche. Ok. C'est quoi la différence entre les deux? Vous savez? Ah oui, ça s'enlève pas ça. Que ça s'enlève. Là, je vois à l'intérieur, il y a un batteur. Bon. Et combien de litres pour un petit comme ça?
1000 litres.
Grand, c'est combien de litres? Au moins 20 ou peut-être 30 même.
Ouais, à peu près ça, autour de ça.
Ok. Bon bah écoutez, je vous embête pas plus alors.
Il y a un catalogue?
Bon, je veux bien un catalogue, ouais. Ceux-là, ils sont dedans.
Pas dans le catalogue.
Ah, ils sont pas dans le catalogue? Ça marche. Merci beaucoup en tout cas.
De rien.
Au revoir. Right, the cheapest professional dough mixer that I have seen in there was around 900 euros, and there is worse cause for that price point. You don't even have access to a legitimate professional appliance brand. No, it's just a random, no name, never heard of. So I guess I'm not gonna be looking for a brand new one, and I'm just gonna be looking for a second-hand one instead. That might be a solution, to be honest. So this is like the local French Craigslist. So I need a professional dough mixer. This one, 600 euros. Also, there's another problem with those types. You can only mix dough with this. You can't whip eggs, whipped cream or whatever. I'd love to get rid of my current mixer and replace it by a bigger one. I can't have like... I was about to say that I can't have that many machines. I would love not to have too many machines in this studio. Wow, this one looks like a beast. 60 liters, no, it's too much for me. 10, 15 liters tops. Oh, this one is nice. It looks like a stormtrooper. Oof, 6,590 euros. Tad on the expensive side, just a tad. No. Hey! 10 liters, it's from the brand Dito Sama, which is good. Ok. Oui, hello, bonjour. D'accord, ok. Bon, merci beaucoup en tout cas. Merci. The guy basically told me, if it works, good for you. There is some update, guys. I've found this one. The framing of that picture is not optimal, but this model, I've heard of it before. It's definitely an option to consider, so I'm gonna call the guy. This could be my way out. Okay. The guy has just arrived.
Il a l'adresse qu'il faut sur le machin.
Non mais c'est pas grave, posez-le, c'est pas grave. Je vais me mettre au centre comme ça je verrai bien parce que là avec la lumière. Ah oui, c'est quand même costaud.
Vous trouvez ça important?
C'est quoi?
Bah un pied.
En fait les pieds ils sont partis, c'est ça? Ah oui, c'était un pied qu'ils ont fait en fait, que vous avez fait peut-être?
C'est pas nous. C'est ceux d'avant.
Ceux d'avant? En fait vous l'aviez acheté d'occasion déjà?
Oui.
D'accord.
750.
Ah ouais.
Vous remplissez votre bol,
ouais,
à votre sauce.
Bah déjà on va le faire tourner comme ça, je vais pouvoir le tourne.
On met le minuteur sur je sais pas combien.
Ça c'est un minuteur ça?
Oui, je crois. Ah non, c'est la vitesse.
C'est la vitesse.
Et ensuite on peut le démarrer.
Ouais, mais c'est-à-dire qu'en fait...
Non, le 6. C'est bon.
Ouais! Sponsor time. Now you're probably already aware of this. Did I broke something? Croissant recipe poster. It's a beautiful one. It's available on my DFTBA page. But now I've got this. A croissant mug. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how can I live my whole life without this? Well, basically you can't. It's a beautiful mug with a croissant on it. And also the correct pronunciation of the word croissant. Not croissant, croissant. And this beauty is also available on my DFTBA merch page. Okay, back to it. I bought a commercial grade dough mixer. It's a Ditto Sama and the model is a BE10. It's 25 years old. Just to give you a point of comparison, this already is a big dough mixer. This is a pretty standard whisk attachment, home appliance classic. This is commercial grade. This thing not only is big, but it's also super heavy. And by heavy, I mean heavy AF. This is at least 35-40 kilos. This is stainless steel as well. This is aluminium plus the enormous motor inside. Just makes the whole thing really heavy, yes, but also really stable. And last, this is rather on the expensive-ish side since I paid $400 for this. And by the way, this little one right there is standing in the exact same price range. So, just saying. The only problem is that at the moment it's dirty AF to the extent that I basically can't use it. So I have to disassemble the whole thing, clean every part, just make it look fresher. It's not a small operation, trust me. Ah, putain. A bit of a saddening update. The problem is that I found bugs close to the electric system. Now I know that that's usually the place where cockroaches and all those, you know, crawling creatures just locate. But at the end of the day, I think it's too much for me. Yeah, basically, even though this is also a making space and a kitchen at the same time, there's no way that bugs could be allowed in this space. No, just it doesn't work this way. It doesn't work this way. I want to keep this place more or less food safe, but I want to be the bacteria in this place. I don't want any other living organism apart from me, okay? So I'm gonna put it back together. I'm just gonna test if it works nicely, if I didn't mess up anything, and then I'm gonna send it back. Get out! And it basically means that I'm starting again. I wouldn't go as far as saying that I'm discouraged, but it's definitely a letdown in my quest to buy myself a commercial grade dough mixer. I need this. I'm not gonna give up despair. Gonna give up despair. Not gonna give up despair. Wait. I just need to collapse first and then I'm bouncing back. I don't think that things happen for no reasons. Okay? There might even be some good in the fact that I got screwed up. If you ask me if the mixer was super old, I can maybe find a better looking one, which is always good. I mean, this is still a cinematic studio at the end of the day. Then who knows, I might just meet someone that will just bring something interesting for the croissant story. Yes, I'm starting to bounce back. So what is my next move? Well, as for now, I don't know. I might need your help on this. If you have any idea, any way I could get my hands on what I want, please let me know in the comments below. If you know someone that basically work at one of those big, you know, professional dough mixer brands, time for us to make a move. It's time to unleash the power of the community, and that's basically my best idea at the moment. But that's good. Well, I guess, guys, that's it for this episode. There will obviously be a part 2 to this adventure. I'm not gonna give up like this. I'm not gonna give up this. I hope I'm gonna find a solution. I'm also counting on your information /contact/IDs to solve this problem. In the meantime, spread, share, sub, like, you know the deal. Take care, bye bye. Salut.